Hey, what's up traders, my name is George and welcome to my channel. So let's dive straight into it. How many strategies do you need to succeed in trading? If you're a beginner trader, you're probably thinking that the more strategies you have, the better, because that will allow you to find more trades and make more money. But it's not entirely true. First, if you have too many strategies, let's say 5 or more, they will most likely contradict. So one strategy might set up towards a long side while the other set up on the opposite direction, which is possible in some cases, like if you are swing trading on a long side with a faraway target, there might be a setup on short sides on the pullback which occurred on that swing trade. With so many strategies in your head, you're spreading attention too thin, especially if you're just starting up. Your trader mindset is not developed, so it's better to stick with one strategy, whether it's yours or you got it from someone else. Stick with it for some time being, test it out and see if that works for you. Don't move on to a strategy after a few losses. Every strategy has a losing phase. When you gain more experience, then you can begin working on another strategy if you want, but more importantly, make sure to backtest before trading it. This will give you confidence in your strategy when you start going into a losing trade. Having a strategy is important, but it's not nearly as important as your mindset. You can have the best strategy in the world but still not make it as a trader unless you work on your mindset. I'll be covering mindset in more details in my future videos, so make sure you subscribe to this channel. So think this, let's say you're a bad driver, and doesn't matter how good of a car you have, it won't turn you into a good driver unless you practice on your driving skills. Same with the trading. If you have a bad habits and you're not working on them to improve, it doesn't matter how good of a strategy you have, you won't make money in a long run. And contrary, if you are a good driver, even though you have a bad car, you'll still be able to get most out of it. And likewise, if you are a trader who has a discipline and has a developed mindset, even with a low win rate strategy, you still be able to make money in a long run. So mindset is everything. Okay, 3 key points to remember. First, start with one strategy and give your full attention. 2, backtest your strategy on a different currency. This will give you confidence when you start going to a losing trade. And 3, most importantly, work on developing your mindset. Okay guys, have an awesome new year. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next year.